In the box. 1 6-foot Amazon Basics Lightning Cable and Welcome Guide. Ultra-fast charge. When used with an 18W or higher USB-C wall charger with power delivery, you can charge your iPhone to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Supported models include iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XR, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPads, and more. Certified chipset. Apple MFI certified charging and syncing cable for your Apple devices with improved chipset to ensure full compatibility. High-speed data transfer. Up to 480 megabits per second for transferring music, movies, and more in seconds. Durable design. Built with top-rated materials and tested to withstand up to 10,000 bend cycles, and features textured grooves on connector ends for improved grip. Top reviews from the United States. Good bang for the buck. Reminds me of that Japanese commercial for Sakeru Gummy. Watch it if you haven't. The cable length is much longer and thicker than any cables from Apple that I've seen. Pairs well with a 30W charger.